Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we're exploring the 4 best image viewer for Windows 10, helping you choose the right app for viewing and managing your photos. Now let's get started. At number 4 on our list is Microsoft Photos. Microsoft Photos is a popular image and video viewer available on Windows, with a rating of 4.2 stars and over 900 user reviews on the Microsoft Store. Its main purpose is to help users view, organize, edit, and share photos and videos from their PC and connected cloud services all in one smooth and modern gallery experience. Here are 3 standout features of Microsoft Photos. Immersive photo and video viewing that offers a clean, full-screen experience designed to make images look vivid and engaging. Built-in organization and syncing that lets you access photos from your PC, OneDrive, and other supported sources in one place. Simple editing tools that allow quick adjustments like cropping, rotating, and enhancing photos without extra software. Now let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. After opening Microsoft Photos, I click on the 3-line hamburger menu in the top corner, which reveals the main navigation options in a clean side panel. First, I click on Gallery. This section shows all your photos and videos in one fast, beautiful grid, making it easy to browse your entire collection at a glance. Next, I click on Favorites. Here, you can quickly access images you've marked as favorites, so your most important photos are always easy to find. Then, I click on Memories. This area highlights automatically grouped moments and past photos, giving you a simple way to relive special times without manual sorting. Finally, I click on Pictures. This option focuses specifically on image files, helping you view and manage only photos without mixing in videos or other media. At number 3 on our list is Irfan View 64. Irfan View 64 is a lightweight and powerful image viewer for Windows, known for its speed and simplicity, and it is widely trusted by users who want fast image access without heavy system load. Its main purpose is to view, convert, and manage images efficiently while using very low system resources, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Here are 3 standout features of Irfan View 64. Extremely fast performance that allows images to open almost instantly, even on older or low-spec computers. Low system resource usage that keeps your PC running smoothly while viewing or converting large image files. Simple yet powerful design that offers easy basic use for beginners, with advanced options available for professionals. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface as I click through the app. Starting at the top, I click on the File menu, where you can open images, browse folders, save files in different formats, or start batch conversions. This is the main control center for loading and exporting images. Next, I click on Edit. Here you'll see basic tools like copy, crop, and selection options, which let you make quick adjustments without needing a full photo editor. Then I click on Image. This section focuses on image-specific actions such as resizing, rotating, adjusting colors, and changing image properties, all presented in simple dialog boxes. After that, I click on Options. In this menu, you can customize how Irfan View looks and behaves, including file associations, viewing preferences, and performance settings. Next, I click on View. This area controls how images are displayed on the screen, allowing you to zoom in, zoom out, switch viewing modes, or view images in full screen. Finally, I click on Help. This section provides access to help files, software information, and support resources if you ever need guidance while using the app. At number 2 on our list is Fleck Photo Viewer. Fleck Photo Viewer is a lightweight image viewer available on the Microsoft Store, with a strong rating of 4.7 stars based on 12 user reviews. Its main purpose is to serve as a fast, clean, and ad-free default photo viewer for Windows 10 and Windows 11. While offering useful editing and viewing tools without complexity. Here are 3 standout features of Fleck Photo Viewer. Clean and ad-free interface that keeps the viewing experience simple, distraction-free, and easy to navigate. Built-in editing and viewing tools that include slideshow, color adjustment, crop, resize, rotate, and clipboard support. High customization and input support with right-click menus, keyboard shortcuts, and full touchscreen compatibility. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface as I move through the app. When one photo viewer opens, you're greeted with a clean image display that focuses entirely on the photo without clutter or unnecessary panels. As I right-click on the image, a context menu appears showing options like slideshow, crop, resize, and rotate, making common actions quick and easy to access. Using the color adjustment options, you can make simple changes to brightness or tones without opening another editor. Keyboard shortcuts allow you to navigate between photos, zoom in or out, and rotate images smoothly, which is helpful for fast browsing. If you're using a touchscreen device, gestures feel natural and responsive, letting you swipe through images or interact with tools comfortably. Overall, the interface stays minimal while still giving you powerful control through menus and shortcuts, making it ideal as a default photo viewer. At number 1 on our list is Fleck Photo Viewer. Fleck Photo Viewer is a folder-based image viewing app available on the Microsoft Store. It holds a strong user rating and a large number of positive reviews, showing that many users trust it for everyday photo viewing and management. The main purpose of this app is to let you view, review, and manage your photos in full screen with a clean, minimalist interface, while still offering powerful editing and slideshow tools when you need them. Here are 3 standout features of Fleck Photo Viewer. Fast full-screen photo viewing, allowing you to browse images smoothly with manual or timed slideshows. Built-in editing tools, letting you crop, resize, rotate, convert, and apply filters to single images or in bulk. Wide format support, including JPEG, PNG, GIF, HEIC, WebP, and many RAW formats, all in one lightweight viewer. Now let's take a calm walkthrough of the app's interface as I click through it. I start by clicking on the 3 dots menu in the corner. This opens a compact options panel that keeps the screen uncluttered while giving quick access to key tools. Next, I select the Quick Access list. Here, I can instantly jump to frequently used folders or locations, making it easy to return to my favorite photo collections without browsing again. After that, I move to the Load section. This is where I can open a new folder of images. Once selected, the photos load quickly and appear in a clean full-screen view, ready for zooming, reviewing, or starting a slideshow. Then I click on Recent Session. This section shows my previously opened folders and sessions, allowing me to continue exactly where I left off without any extra steps. Finally, I choose Save Session. This option lets me save my current viewing setup, so the next time I open the app, my folder, position, and viewing preferences are already in place. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, please subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel for more helpful Windows tips and guides.